Today I'm going to show you how to connect ClickUp to N8N for seamless workflow automation. Start by creating a new workflow in N8N. Think about the tasks you want to automate as this will guide your setup. Next, add a trigger node. You can use a manual trigger for testing or a ClickUp trigger to start workflows from ClickUp events. Choose the option that fits your needs. Now, add a ClickUp node to define the operation you want to perform, such as getting tasks or creating a checklist. Select the credentials you've already configured to ensure N8N can communicate securely with ClickUp. After that, configure the required parameters for your chosen operation, like task ID, list ID, or folder ID. These details ensure your workflow interacts with the correct elements in ClickUp. Finally, test the node to confirm everything is working. Check that the access and outputs are correct and troubleshoot any issues if needed. With this setup, ClickUp is now connected to N8N, giving you endless possibilities to automate tasks and streamline your workflows.